Diets for Diabetics.
No, Lulu.
Fine.
I know you want it, but you can't. You have diabetes, so you have to eat light. Mom bought you a lot of veggies, okay?
No, Mom. Who said that diabetics can only eat vegetables?
Obviously, a light diet makes it easier to control glucose levels.
I don't think so. Why don't we ask Sugar Up?
All right then.
Sugar Up!
Sugar Up, the doctor told me the 5 parts of diabetes management. That includes diet management, exercise, medication, glucose monitoring, and diabetes self-management education. Among them, diet management is very important, right?
You're right, Mom.
Did you hear that?
But you're heading in the wrong direction. A diabetic diet doesn't have to be bland. A diabetic diet is actually one of the healthiest diets. It not only allows food to maximize its value, but helps your blood sugar level meet the standard and provides adequate nutrition for human body.
So, according to this, what exactly is a diabetic diet?
First of all, a diabetic diet does not specifically refer to a particular fixed eating pattern. It is very individualized. Under the guidance of a nutritionist, a diet plan can be made based on health requirements and eating habit.
I'm Lulu's nutritionist. I will take care of Lulu's fruit and vegetable diet.
Can I say no?
Don't worry, there's more. This individualized plan should ensure balanced nutrition and healthy weight maintenance. The 6 nutrients, carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins, minerals, and water must be included. Try your best to choose different foods with low glycemic index and ensure food diversity.
Not only vegetables, I should eat some drumsticks for protein and fat.
Yep, that's what I'm saying.
What am I going to do with you? Turns out you can still have a rich diet. Sure, you can have a drumstick, but don't forget your vegetables, okay?
Got it.
Furthermore, you should keep a regular daily routine. Staying up late and bad eating habits will affect your blood sugar. As long as you pay attention to these do's and don'ts, you can enjoy your food while also controlling blood sugar. And I have a secret weapon, carbohydrate counting. After you master this, you can easily adjust your pre-meal insulin dosage according to your food.
That sounds pretty complicated.
I'll teach you about insulin sensitivity factor and insulin to carb ratio later. By understanding how much 1 unit of insulin can lower your blood sugar or can offset how many carbs, you can control your diet flexibly.
Calculating all that before eating is too much trouble.
Not at all. Actually, just need a basic math. You can do it.
If it means I can eat more drumsticks, then I'll definitely work harder at math.
Are you missing the point?
Sugar-free cookies? I'll never have to calculate this.
Careful! Sugar-free food doesn't include sucrose, but the raw ingredients include flour, which still contains a lot of carbs. Just because it's marked sugar-free doesn't mean it won't raise your blood glucose level. Just look at the nutrition facts. As long as there are carbohydrates, it will raise your blood sugar.
Whoa. That was a close call.
You really have to look at the nutrition facts.
Got it!